for Revalsar Lake from Bir, and where I am residing nowadays. And Bir is a lovely town of Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh, and Revalsar comes inside Mandi district, and which is also a Buddhist pilgrimage. And today I am gonna show you around the Revalsar Lake and also the Naina Devi temple, which is just few kilometers away from Revalsar Lake, and it's also a nice place, quite a nice town. And Revalsar is not that far from Bir, and if you are thinking about for a one-day trip, Revalsar is a nice idea. And yes, and the road is fine towards Revalsar, and we already left home in Bir at 6:30 o'clock, and now it's 8:30 almost, and we have almost reached somewhere near between Mandi or the road construction is still going on here on the way of Revalsar Lake, and you can see the condition of the road. Hello, I just reached Revalsar, and it seems bit crowded, and the place is really narrow, so you have to park your car, I mean somewhere, and then you have to roam around by walk, so you don't have problem with your car. The first shop which I can see here, Piyush fast food center, and you can get some Chinese or chili chicken, Rara chicken type of food. And this is a monastery over here in Revalsar. Excuse me, hello, hi, ये कौन सा मोनेस्ट्री है?
ये है
डीके मोनेस्ट्री. अच्छा, ओके, रिंगपंग. Okay, people are saying this is some Ringpang DK monastery, and let's see what we can find here. There's some shop, and this is also a souvenir shop, and there is a cafe in here, Revalsar. I am in front of this monastery, and there is some cafe in here, and let's see, I am gonna have some coffee or some cake. Let's see, I'm a little bit hungry because I did not have breakfast properly, so let's see what I can get here. This may be the monastery cafe. And there is really nice pies, chocolate cake, cheesecake. How much is the cheesecake? 130, no? Okay, then I like cheesecake. Oh, this is also strawberry cheesecake.
Oh, this is new.
Oh, nice. I can. Okay, give me one blueberry cheesecake. Okay. And do you have coffee? Okay. Hi. This is the same cafe where I stopped over
Oh, actually, you know what? I gotta go
for my
Sophie.
cake and. Okay. I am back and I ordered a cheesecake, blueberry cheesecake, and it's really a nice cafe, and you can see Padmasambhava Murti over there, and it's really nice place. I really liked it. Actually, I came here last time as well, and it's really beautiful cafe, and they have this beautiful cheesecake of us, and I just ordered this blueberry cheesecake and one americano, and they have other options as well, and we can see the Padmasambhava statue from here, and with the and it's just above the Revalsar Lake. This is the Revalsar Lake, and it's also known as Pemaso. And you can check the cafe. They have beautiful option for so pretty. This place is really pretty, and they have beautiful cafe. Oh my god, and location is so nice. Hi guys, now I'm gonna finish my coffee and blueberry cheesecake. Let's see how is that. I hope it will be, and it seems really nice, no question about that. Thank you guys. This is the cafe where I have my coffee and cakes and everything. It's called Imaho Gusto. And if anybody wanna come to Revalsar, I will recommend this cafe. This is Imaho Cafe, and they have their various types of cakes: blueberry cheesecake, carrot cake, pineapple cheesecake, banana cake, strawberry cheesecake, apple cake, and cheesecake, normal chocolate cake. And you will find yak cheese as well, which is 1500 per kg. Okay, they have a lovely space for sitting, and there are some books, and there is a beautiful view of Padmasambhava and Revalsar Lake, and there is really nice place to be here. I mean, I would love to sit here for longer time. And
Om
Hello guys, I am back with my Revalsar guide, and this is the path of or the road of Revalsar. It's a very small town, so you can see the road is really narrow here. You can't be here with your car. You have to park your car outside it and then you have to come. Otherwise you won't be able to park here inside the market or anywhere else. So here is a temple of Lord Shiva, and there I am going right now. Which you can find really amazing. There is few new shops here which was not here last November 2024 when I came here for the last time. Right now there are more shops. There are few kitchens as well, Kurlam kitchen. But here you can find Kinnaury shawls. Yes, people from Kinnaur resides here in the winter because Kinnaur gets really cold this time. So people from Kinnaur come here and stay here for the winter season. So here is the temple of Lord Shiva, which you will find it in every corner of Himalayan town. So Shivji is the famous god of Himalayas. So everywhere in Himalayas you will find the temple of Lord Shiva. There is Nandi, there is Lord Shiva, there is another Nandi who is also here. Jai Baba Bholenath, Jai Baba Bholenath, Jai Baba Bholenath. And there is another temple, Revalsar का इतिहास. चलो देखते हैं what is Revalsar का इतिहास. This is temple Lord Shiva and Lord Brahma, I think. Jai Shiva Shambhu. Jai Baba Lomesh Rishi. This temple of Lomesh Rishi here. Revalsar town, which is also famous. There are 3 religions, and you can see the harmony of 3 religions. One is Buddhism, one is Sikhism, and another is Hinduism. You will find it in Revalsar. So it's a beautiful lake and a beautiful town with people come here and give puja, and lots of fishes are inside this lake, but you can't catch these fishes because it's said or it's belief that these fishes are for the divinity or some divine reason. You can catch this fish. You see the beautiful people here. Oh. Hello guys, this is the Revalsar town, which you can see from here. You can view Revalsar town best from here. There is the statue of Guru Padmasambhava, who preached Buddhism in India and Nepal and also in Tibet. And also there is a Shiv temple, and there is some prayer flags which you can see from here. So, and this is some kind of stop where you can sit and gossip all day. And there you can check. Here are few cafes of Revalsar. Revalsar is very small place, so you will find very small kitchen or cafe like Cornice Cafe. I've never been to this cafe actually. I'm just showing you around. And there is also few stores and shops where you can buy Tibetan agarbatti or dhoop, and also prayer flags. And there you can find very small prayer flags to big largest prayer flags you will notice when you are in the mountains, especially in Himachal, Nepal and Darjeeling, Sikkim. Here is there. Oh, okay. हाँ. Okay.
पूरा मंदिर मिलेगा आपको.
हाँ.
पेड़ पर जाओ.
There's also a city filled with agarbatti, and you can do your koda here, which you will see the Buddhist people do. Here is the koda. Manipang mein home, Manipang mein home, Om Manipang mein home. You have to turn it around like in clockwise, not anti-clockwise. That is bad omen. Om Manipang mein Om Manipang. Om Manipang mein Om Manipang mein Om. Manipang mein Om Manipang. Manipang. There you will find all these places, and also the statue of Lord Guru Padmasambhava. It's mainly a Buddhist town, so you will find Buddhist people here, especially from Himachal and also Nepal, Tibet and Sikkim, Arunachal, everywhere. So this is a beautiful small stupa here in Revalsar. I don't know the name again because it has no name. So